Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to change oil on a Nissan Frontier. First, gather your essential tools, including a wrench, an oil filter wrench, and a drain pan. Make sure you have the correct type and amount of new engine oil, typically around 6 quarts, and a fresh oil filter. Park your truck on a level surface, engage the parking brake, and consider using jack stands for safety if lifting the vehicle. Now let's drain the old oil. Locate the oil drain plug, usually a large bolt on the bottom of the oil pan. Position your drain pan directly beneath it. Using the correct size wrench, carefully loosen and remove the drain plug. Allow ample time for all the old, dirty oil to completely drain into the pan. This usually takes about 10 to 15 minutes. Next, it's time to replace the filter and refill. Use an oil filter wrench to remove the old filter. Before installing the new one, apply a thin film of fresh oil to its rubber gasket. Hand tighten the new filter until snug, then give it an additional 1/4 to 1/2 turn. Reinstall the drain plug, tightening it securely but without over-torquing. Finally, let's perform the last checks. Carefully pour the new engine oil into the filler cap, typically around 6 quarts, checking your owner's manual for the exact capacity. Start the engine and let it run for a few minutes, then turn it off and check for any leaks around the drain plug and filter. Recheck the oil level on the dipstick, adding more if needed. Remember to check the description for links to these fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals to help you stay organized and efficient.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.